Can you believe this? It's absolutely astounding and amazing. You can see a volcano erupt before your very eyes and the molten rock pour into the sea. This has to be one of the 4 or 5 most exciting and mystical experiences on Earth. You must not miss this. Over the months and years, the river of lava issuing from Pu'u'o'o winds its way back and forth across the lava plain, sometimes flowing into the sea within Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, and sometimes outside the park on County of Hawaii land. You can check the conditions by calling the eruption hotline at 808-985-6000. They have lots of useful tips and up-to-the-minute information. If the lava is flowing outside the park, the County of Hawaii maintains a viewing platform. To reach this, drive south from Hilo 20 minutes or southeast from Kona 2.5 hours on Highway 11, turning south on Highway 130 at the town of Kea'au. After 20 miles, there's a clearly marked intersection that leads to the parking lot. Regardless of where the lava is entering the ocean, this is as far as hikers are allowed to go. You should bring water, a flashlight, camera, a rain jacket, and an umbrella, and since the photos are more spectacular at night, it's also wise to bring a camera tripod. The lava may be less than inspiring during daylight, but after nightfall it comes alive, and the madly glowing fiery goddess within is revealed.